Your attention rarely gets a quiet moment anymore. A message appears, then a video, then another notification, and your mind keeps jumping toward whatever feels newest. For many people, the phone becomes the first thing they reach for in the morning. Before the day even begins, their attention already belongs to a screen. One short video becomes another. You keep swiping, not because you chose what to watch, but because the next thing is always waiting. Then every notification becomes a request for your attention. Even when you are working, your mind keeps being pulled away before it can fully settle. After enough fast stimulation, ordinary activities can begin to feel painfully slow. Reading, studying, or working cannot compete with a new reward every few seconds. That is when people hear about a dopamine detox. Delete every app, remove every pleasure,
I'll just live without
press
joy.
some imaginary reset button, and supposedly your brain becomes normal again. So they try to eliminate everything enjoyable. No phone, no music, no entertainment, no small rewards. They turn normal life into a punishment. But extreme rules are difficult to maintain. The plan becomes heavier every day until eventually the whole system collapses. Dopamine is not something dirty that needs to be removed. It plays a normal role in motivation, learning, movement, and pursuing meaningful goals. The real problem is not dopamine itself. The problem is answering every small urge with an immediate reward before you even notice what you are doing. Start by noticing what triggers the automatic reach. Is it a notification? Boredom? Waiting? Stress? Name the trigger before trying to change the habit. Then remove the easiest cues. Turn off notifications that do not require your immediate attention. Your phone does not need permission to interrupt you all day. Make distracting apps harder to open automatically. Move them off the first screen, log out, or place them somewhere that requires an intentional choice. Create short periods when the phone is physically unavailable. Put it inside a drawer or another room while you work, read, eat, or rest. When you feel the urge to open an app, pause for 5 seconds. Do not fight the urge. Just create a small space between the impulse and the action. Sometimes, let boredom exist without immediately escaping it. Sit for a moment. Look around. Allow your mind to slow down without demanding another reward. Then, deliberately choose one slower activity. Read a few pages. Take a walk. Write something. Give your attention somewhere you actually selected. Stay with that activity for 10 minutes. You do not need perfect concentration. You are simply practicing not switching the moment something feels slow. Over time, attention becomes more intentional. Distractions may still exist, but they no longer have to control every movement you make. You do not need to remove every enjoyable thing from your life. You need more control over when and why you reach for it. Create the pause. Choose deliberately. Protect your attention. One clear move, then the next.